All right, my darlings, we are looking at inscribed angles, page 2. And this is a theorem dealing with quadrilaterals that are inscribed in a circle. Okay, so an inscribed quadrilateral is all 4 vertices lie on the circle. So A, B, C, and D are all on the circle. Okay, and something special happens with opposite vertices. So A and C, B and D. Well, if you look, angle A inscribed this part of the circle, and angle C intercepts this part of the circle. Well, together they intercept the entire circle. And remember, an inscribed angle is half of its intercepted arc. So the 2 angles together intercept the entire circle. So the 2 angles together have to add up to 180. So anytime you have a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle, the opposite angles are supplementary, always. All right, so examples 5 and 6, we're going to solve for x and y, and we're going to go back and bring in a unit that we did in first semester. Let's remember how to solve some simultaneous equations. All right, so opposite angles are supplementary. So if I add angle F and angle D, I get x plus 12y plus 84 equals 180. And then angle E and angle J, I get x plus 13y plus 76 equals 180. Well, they each just have a single x by themselves, so I'm going to subtract the 2 equations, and I get negative y plus 8 equals 0. So the opposite of y equals negative 8, so y equals 8. And then I'm going to substitute that in for y into the first equation. So I get x plus 180 equals 180, and x equals 0. So I have x equals 0, y equals 8. So let's try it again. Example 6. So L and F, I get 9x plus 59y plus 8 equals 180. G and E, I get 18x plus 31y plus 10 equals 180. So here, none of the variables are set up to eliminate, so I'm going to multiply the first equation by negative 2. That way I get a negative 18x and a positive 18x. So the first equation becomes negative 18x minus 118y minus 16 equals negative 360. So now when I add these 2 equations together, the 18x's cancel out. So I get negative 87y minus 16 equals negative 180. Negative 87y equals negative 174. Divide, and y equals 2. And I'm going to plug the 2 into the first equation for y. And so I get 9x plus 126 equals 180. 9x equals 54, so x equals 6. So I have x equals 6 and y equals 2. And this finishes up page 2 of Inscribed Angles.